So guys, if I'm going to tell you that you can earn $10, $25, $50 by just conducting some surveys and you are getting paid instant money in your PayPal account, what could you say that? Not only doing surveys guys, you can earn a good amount of vouchers as well, and you can do social service as well in this website. You can see guys, $250. Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you can yourself redeem the good amount, $250, $500 in your PayPal account by just conducting some surveys, by just answering some few questions, and you are getting paid on that. Follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you can yourself earn a good amount of money. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just using this website swagbucks.com. Absolutely free of cost guys. You just need to perform some operations on this website. You just need to click some ads and just hover over some, watch some videos, and you are getting paid on doing that. Okay, and you can see guys, you can redeem your payment in PayPal, Amazon and Freecharge. Okay, if you are having this account. And guys, one more thing I need to tell you, that up to $400+ million this website has paid to its member. Okay, so why are you waiting for guys? Let's see step by step how we can do it. Okay, and see how we can earn money by just following some steps. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how we can do it. So what you need to do first guys, so you just come up in this home page. The link for this website I have just given in the description box. Okay, so you just come up in this website and you can just enter your email ID, password and confirm your password. Okay, and just sign up. Okay, so I just type in my email ID. Okay, and just my password. Okay, just click on the sign up button and just sign up now. And you can see guys, this is a web page which is coming up in your next gift card is in just few clicks. So how what are the ways you can earn? Okay, in this website they have just shown you. You can fill out this quick surveys. You can do surveys just 3 minutes and you are getting paid 5 swag bucks. Active your 10 you are getting $10 welcome bonus. Okay, just 20 seconds you need to open your window on some website. Okay, just welcome window and you are getting paid guys just $10 in just 20 seconds. Okay, you can earn a good amount of 500 SB dollars. Okay, by just clicking on some tickets. If you are doing a referral program, you are getting 10% of the lifetime earning of that person that you have referred to. Okay, default your search engine, you are getting paid, and sign up, be the first to know. Okay guys, so these are certain ways that you can do. So I just click on just any of these things. Okay, I just click on one of this thing and you just need to conduct these surveys guys. It's absolutely free of cost. You do not need to do some big kind of things and your money is in your pocket. Okay, just click on this thing and the survey is all on its way. Just simple question guys, wherever you are born. Okay, what is your age? That simple thing that you need to pay attention to. Okay, that's it. You do not have to spend. You just enter your postal code. Okay, and you are good to go guys. You can see it's absolutely where do you live. You can just put out where you live. Okay, just click on this continue. And what is your higher level of qualifications that you have completed. So I just complete and quickly do these things. So are you married or single? So I'm single. So very easy guys, you can do it on your own self. Okay, what the best describe your current housing. Okay, rental apartment. Okay, just click on do not apply. Okay, employed for full time. You can see guys, I just do it quickly for you to show that it's actually simple doing. Okay, just some dollars in your pocket by just question answering these kind of things. Okay, just question answering these small questions, and you are getting a good amount of money by just have a survey. Okay, and you are getting paid in just 3 minutes. You have to spend and 5 swag bucks in your pocket. Okay, you're a person who makes the daily purchase. Okay, and these are certain questions guys, okay, that you need to put in. Okay, I just show you step by step how you can do it. Maximum employees work in your organization. Okay, my salary, it should be 5 to 6. Okay, manager, continue. Okay, so you might ask me a question that says why are you focus more time on this thing? Because guys, lots of my subscribers wanna tell me are always after me that sir, please tell us each and every step so that we can also make money. Okay, we are not knowing certain things, we unable to do the surveys. So I just want to tell you that live example I just show you, you can do it on your own guys. And you can see guys, 5 SBs in my pocket. As per I said that 5 swag bucks in my pocket by just conducting as promised. I just tell you, just answering some simple questions, and I get 5 swag bucks. Okay, so what are other payment methods? I just want to show you. Okay, I promise to answer the surveys. Thank you for one more thing. Okay, please answer all the questions carefully. Okay, you can do it on your own guys. Okay, and other thing that I want to tell you from where you can earn money online. Okay, you can just click on this invite your friends guys. Okay, this is a referral program that you can do and earn a good amount of money guys. This website will give you an assurance that if you are referring 10 people, okay, 10 people, and if they are earning, okay, if they are earning $100 a day, you are getting $10 from their share. Okay, so if I can do the calculation, online calculator, so if I do the calculation, let's suppose you are referring to 100 people and 100 people are getting paid a good amount of money, means $100 is easy to earn in this website guys. Every day, if you are spending more focus and conduct the surveys very well, you are getting paid a good amount of money from this. Okay, so $10 from 100 people that you have refer. Okay, so 10 into 100 if I can do, so guys, $1,000. If you are doing some work, your payment is already coming in your account of this inbox. Okay, you can see guys. So this is the best website that you can see guys, whenever they are earning guys, because very less websites are giving you this thing that 10% of their earning. If they are earning $100, you are getting $10 just free of cost guys. You do not have to do anything, you do not have to spend so much time on this. You can post this link on Instagram, Facebook. Okay, you can share it on WhatsApp and lots and social media platform. You can do it on Twitter as well. Okay, you can do wherever you can show this thing. You can share this link with Quora. Okay, where actually the potential candidates want to earn. So you are getting paid a good amount of money guys. Minimum 100 if you are having friends, minimum 100 friends if you can refer to and show them how you can earn, you are getting paid a good amount of money guys. Believe me, you do not have to eventually you do not even conduct these surveys as well. Okay, you can see guys, you do not actually need to conduct these surveys as well. You can do other things as well. I just show you other things guys. There are other swag ups points as well. Okay, and there are other things you can see, guys. You can earn money by different things as well. Please verify your account. So guys, you need to verify your account first. Okay, so I just need to verify it. You can see, you can just confirm your email address. Okay, just confirm your email address, and you can see, guys, I have did it, and I just click on this link and just refresh it. Okay, so I have verified my account, and you can see, guys, I get $10 10 swag bucks. It is in my pocket. So guys, do you want to earn more swag points? Okay, so if you want to earn more swag points, just come up in this section. You can see that left hand side corner. There you just need to hover over this discover. Okay, and I'll show you how you can earn more swag points by doing these things. Okay, you can see, guys, you can earn a good amount of money. You can earn 1250 swag points by just having this by just see this offer. Okay, just click on this thing and you can see some of the offer, and you are getting paid for that swag points. Okay, there are different types of offers that you can see, guys. There are other type of websites where you need to just register yourself and earn money. Okay, if I just click on these kind of special offers, okay, and you just need to, what you need to do, guys, I just claim for my device. I just having Android. Okay, save as a device. So these are certain URLs. You can see, guys, there are certain surveys on based upon which you are getting paid a good amount of money. Okay, you just need to conduct, and there are ample of surveys and quizzes for your knowledge, which will increase your knowledge as well as your amount as well in your swag points. Okay, so this is a one way. You can see, guys, one survey is giving you plus 320 swag points, and you can do it, guys. I know this thing. One more thing I should give you guys, that by doing searching, you can see, by doing some small searching things, you are getting paid. So guys, another way of earning this, that you are getting extra bonus point by just clicking on this active button, and you are getting a good amount of money on this. Just click on this active button and you can see, guys, I'm getting paid and a timer is on, and that amount of time I just need to spend and earn 30 swag points. Okay, so you just need to do every single day whenever you are trying to do some more things. You can see, guys, 3 swag bucks is in my pocket and 30 swag bucks I get if I just complete this time. So in that time you can do some surveys, you can do some offers, and whenever you are doing some shopping as well, guys, you can do it with this swag bucks. Now the most important question that is come up in the minds of individuals, that how do we redeem our swag points? So you can see, guys, there is a option which is redeem your swag points. Okay, you can redeem it. If you are having 1000 swag points, then you get $10. If you have 2500 swag points, you can redeem 25 offers in your PayPal account. Okay, just if you are having such money, just click on this rewards, and you can claim a gift card. Okay, so they are just want your PayPal ID, and you can redeem your PayPal account. Okay, instant payment it will give you. Okay, guys, and there are different kind of ways, guys. You can see best offers are 25,000 swag bucks. If you are having, then you are getting paid $250. Okay, so it's absolutely good thing that you can earn, guys. You can come up with different kind of things. You just need to see all the rewards that you can look up in this website. You can see all these kind of rewards. There are different payment methods as well. You can do it with Flipkart voucher. If you are doing online shopping, you can do some social service as well by saving the child. Okay, There are lots and lots of different things that you can do, guys. Okay, just answering some questions that I've shown you, that what is it's very simple for you. Okay, I promise that I am honest, and just click on this thing and continue, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, you can earn for this lottery ticket as well, guys. Okay, just earn 500 swag bucks in 5 minutes. Okay, you can see, guys, you can do it. Okay, you just need to conduct their service. Just click on this continue button, and they want just your phone number, and you just need to verify your account, and then you are getting paid a good amount of money, guys. Okay, so it's a good amount of good opportunity to spend your time. You can do it online shopping. Just 20 to 30 minutes you need to spend on this website, and you are getting paid a good amount of money, guys. Okay, and you can hover over these kind of things, because, guys, daily some surveys are coming up in this website. Okay, daily some polls are coming. Okay, you can see you are getting paid 1 swag point by just conducting a poll. Okay, you can see, guys, yes, I found it, and vote and earn. Okay, just simple money, guys. You can see, guys, 15 swag bucks in my pocket just by polling things. Okay, so this is how you can earn a good amount of money from this, and you can vote it and earn it. Okay, you can do it by Peanut Lab surveys. This is another thing. Lots and lots of service, guys. You can even do it by downloading the mobile application of this. Okay, you can open it a mobile application and answer some questions, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, in your mobile phone it would be easy. I'm just showing you on my desktop, and you can do it as well. Okay, so by doing web search as well, you can do. I've shown you, and other things as well. Okay, guys, searching, discovery, rewards. Okay, and you just one step ahead and claim your account. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this video, guys. Just click on the subscribe button and hit the like button, so that I can show you different kind of strategies which will help you to gain success in making money online. Okay, guys, we'll see you in the next video.